All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to write and run a Python script with Anaconda. So let's open up Notebook. Okay, so click on Launch. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically run a script in Terminal for you. Okay, and then it's going to pop up. It's going to open up your browser. Okay. And give me a second here. Okay, I'll bring this over. And you'll see here, if we click on New and do Notebook Python 3, now we can run our commands right here. Now, full disclosure here, when we run a command here, or a script, if I refresh the page, even though this is a local environment, so this is offline, okay? This is running locally on our machine. If we refresh the page, we lose all our progress, just so you know. So if you leave the page without saving, then all your work is gone. Okay, so let's do 5 plus 5. Okay, and then let's hit run. Now let's do 10 plus 10 and run. Okay, and then 20 plus 20 and run. And there you go. That's how you run a script with Anaconda. Okay, and we'll do one more here. We'll do print and hello world. Okay, and I'll run this. And there you have hello world. Now we can save this. Okay, sample notebook. Okay, now it's saved. So if I refresh it, all our code is there. Okay, we can also download it. Okay, so this is tremendously valuable because guess what? Instead of having to write this in a text editor, you can write it here. Now, I'm going to give you the choice of where you want to run your code. Okay, and in the next video, we're going to talk all about that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.